Are penguins the most romantic animals of all? It's possible, and here's why. Their mating habits are much more than just mechanical actions. They appear to capture spontaneity, sincerity, tenderness, and genuine love. Across the 18 penguin species, courtship rituals are as diverse as the environments they inhabit, from the icy expanses of Antarctica to the temperate shores of southern Africa and the Galapagos. Penguin courtship encompasses a remarkable array of displays: elaborate dances, synchronized movements, mutual preening, and, in some species, the iconic presentation of pebbles as tokens of affection. Vocal communication is central, with each species, and often each individual, possessing a unique acoustic signature that enables mate recognition amid the cacophony of densely packed colonies. These rituals serve not only to attract and select mates, but also to reinforce pair bonds, coordinate parental duties, and ultimately ensure reproductive success. Emperor penguins, the largest of all penguin species, breed in the most extreme environment of any bird during Antarctica's winter. Their courtships are a marvel of coordination and endurance. The process begins in late March, when males and females gather in vast colonies on the sea ice. Amidst thousands of nearly identical birds, finding and attracting a mate is a formidable challenge. Males and females engage in a ritualized display involving head bowing, flipper stretching, and synchronized walking. The ecstatic display is characterized by the penguin extending its head, pumping its chest, and emitting a loud, trumpeting call. Each emperor penguin possesses a unique vocal signature, produced by a two-voice system in the syrinx. These calls are essential for individual recognition and pair bonding, especially in the visually homogeneous, noisy colony. Emperor penguin vocalizations are among the most complex in the avian world. The two-voice system allows each bird to produce two independent frequencies simultaneously, generating a beat pattern that encodes individual identity. Playback experiments and acoustic analyses show that emperor penguins can recognize their mate's call with over 90% accuracy, even in the midst of thousands of calling birds. African penguins are highly vocal, employing a repertoire of calls and songs for social communication, mate attraction, and territory defense. Mutual display songs are duets performed by established pairs, reinforcing pair bonds and facilitating recognition after foraging trips. These African penguins use both source-related and filter-related cues in their vocalizations to encode individual identity. Recent studies employing the source-filter theory have demonstrated that these acoustic features are stable across breeding seasons and are used for mate and kin recognition. Playback experiments show that penguins can perceive and respond to shifts in fundamental frequency and formant dispersion, indicating their importance in individual recognition and mate choice. African penguins can associate vocal cues with visual features, such as ventral dot patterns, further enhancing individual recognition. King penguins employ a combination of visual and acoustic signals in courtship. Both sexes possess bright yellow-orange beak spots and ear patches, which serve as honest signals of individual quality and age. The size and brightness of beak spots and ear patches are correlated with age and physiological status. Experimental reduction of these ornaments leads to longer mate finding times, indicating their importance in mate choice. King penguin calls consist of two fundamental frequency bands, or the two-voice system, are highly stereotyped within individuals but variable between them. These calls encode individual identity and are essential for mate and chick recognition in crowded colonies. The king penguin's bronchial syrinx allows for the simultaneous production of two independent frequencies, separated by a septum trachealis medialis. This anatomical adaptation enhances the propagation and individual distinctiveness of calls, facilitating recognition in noisy colonies. Physical displays, such as bowing, head bobbing, flipper waving, and synchronized walking, bring pairs closer to each other and confirms their love for each other. Among the most famous penguin courtship behaviors is the offering of pebbles by males to prospective mates. This is a ritual mostly observed in Adelie penguins. Males search for smooth, well-shaped pebbles, sometimes traveling considerable distances. The male presents the pebble to the female, often accompanied by bowing and vocalizations. Acceptance of the pebble is a strong indicator of mate choice and the beginning of pair bonding. Accepted pebbles are added to the nest mound, which serves to elevate eggs above the cold ground and protect them from flooding. The pebble is both a practical and symbolic gift. It demonstrates the male's resourcefulness and commitment, and the quality and quantity of pebbles can influence female choice and reproductive success. Mutual preening. This display of affection strengthens social bonds and reduces aggression. Pairs reinforce their bond through allopreening, which also serves to remove parasites and maintain plumage. So, yes, it's clear to see that these birds really do live for being together.